Intercept theorem. If a transversal makes equal intercepts on three or more parallel lines, then any other line cutting them will also make equal intercepts. L, M, N are three parallel lines. PQ is a transversal. If this transversal makes equal intercepts AB equal to BC, then any other line or S cutting these parallel lines also makes equal intercepts DE is equal to EF. This is intercept theorem. We need to prove now DE is equal to EF. To prove this theorem, we need to do three steps. First, we have to prove ABEG is a parallelogram. Once we prove this ABEG is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to GE. Then second step, we have to prove BCHE is a parallelogram. Then opposite sides are equal. BC is equal to EH. The third thing is we need to prove the triangle GED is congruent to the triangle HEF. Once we prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle, then DE will become equal to EF by CPCT. Hence, we have proved the intercept theorem. Let us see how we can do that. Construction. Through E, draw a line segment parallel to GH parallel to PQ, meeting L at G, meeting N at H. Because L, M and N are parallel lines, AG is parallel to BE. By construction, AB is parallel to GE. This is parallel to this. This AB is parallel to GE. Therefore, ABEG is a parallelogram. AB is equal to GE. And this parallelogram, AB is equal to GE. Here, between M and N are parallel lines. BE is parallel to CH and BC is parallel to EH by construction. Therefore, BCHE is a parallelogram and BC is equal to EH. We know that AB is equal to BC, but AB is equal to GE, BC is equal to EH. Therefore, GE is equal to EH. AB is equal to BC, but AB is equal to GE, BC is equal to EH. Therefore, GE is equal to EH. GE is equal to EH. GE is equal to EH. GED is equal to HEF. GED is equal to HEF, vertically opposite angles. GED is equal to HEF, vertically opposite angles. Angle DGE is equal to EHF. Angle DGE is equal to EHF because alternate interior angles are equal as L and N parallel and GH is the transversal. Therefore, triangle GED and HEF are congruent. AAS axiom of congruence. Therefore, DE is equal to EF by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence, we have proved intercept theorem. Let us summarize now. There are three lines L, M and N or parallel lines. The transversal PQ cuts at A, B, C such that AB is equal to BC, and we have RS cuts at different points D, E and F. The construction through E, draw a line segment GH such that GH is parallel to PQ and meeting L at G and N at H. Then we have proved AB EG is a parallelogram and BCHE is a parallelogram. Because AB is equal to BC, then GE has become equal to EH. In these two triangles, GED and EFH or HEF, this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles, and this angle is equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles are equal, and this side was equal to this one. Therefore, because these two triangles are congruent, DE is equal to EF. Hence, we have proved the intercept theorem.